Powered by NationalLink.
For Hyosung, on the welcome or out of service screen, press Enter, Clear, Cancel 1, 2, 3 to log into the ATM with your master password. Select Customer Setup. Select Surcharge Mode. Select Additional Surcharge Mode. Current mode should be set to %. Then select Next Step. Select Percentage and input the %. Make sure Surcharge Notice is set to both. For Genmega, on the welcome or out of service screen, press Enter, Clear, Cancel 1, 2, 3 and press OP to log into the ATM with your master password. Select ATM OP. Select Customer Setup. Select Surcharge Mode. Select %. Input the % and press Enter on the keypad. Make sure the use option is set to greater amount.